Welcome to your channel, Crazy Info. Rolls Royce Motor Cars Limited is a British luxury automobile maker. A wholly owned subsidiary of German group BMW, it was established in 1998, after BMW was licensed the rights to the Rolls-Royce brand name and logo from Rolls-Royce plc, and acquired the rights to the Spirit of Ecstasy and Rolls-Royce grille-shaped trademarks from Volkswagen AG. Rolls-Royce Motor Cars Limited operates from purpose-built administrative and production facilities opened in 2003, across from the historic Goodwood Circuit, in Goodwood, West Su. Sussex, England, United Kingdom. Rolls-Royce Motors Cars Limited is the exclusive manufacturer of Rolls-Royce branded motor cars since 2003. Although the Rolls-Royce brand has been in use since 1906, the Rolls-Royce Motor Cars subsidiary of BMW AG has no direct relationship to Rolls Royce branded vehicles produced prior to 2003. The Bentley Motors Limited subsidiary of Volkswagen AG is the direct successor to Rolls-Royce Motors and various other predecessor entities that produced Rolls-Royce and Bentley branded cars between the foundation of each company in 2003. When the BMW-controlled entity started producing cars under the Rolls-Royce brand, the Rolls-Royce Phantom 4-door sedan was the first product offered for sale in 2003. Current Chief Executive Torsten Müller-Ötvös joined the company in January 2010, with a pledge to regain the quality standards that made Rolls-Royce famous. That year sales in China increased by 600%, making it the company's second largest market after the US. In 1998, Vickers decided to sell Rolls-Royce Motors. The most likely buyer was BMW, which already supplied engines and other components for Rolls-Royce and Bentley cars, but BMW's final offer of £340 million was beaten by Volkswagen's £430 million. Rolls-Royce announced in September 2006 that it would develop a new four-door model named Ghost. Rolls-Royce Motor Cars launched a new car at the Geneva Motor Show on the 5th of March 2013 as Rolls-Royce Wraith Coupe. The Rolls-Royce Dawn is a British handmade four-seat luxury convertible. It was announced in time for the 2015 Frankfurt Motor Show. Rolls-Royce unveiled a new Phantom at the Grade 8 Phantoms exhibit, which would go into production at the end of 2017, with sales starting in 2018. Rolls-Royce revealed the Cullinan in early 2018. Thank you for watching the video, guys. For more interesting videos, do subscribe to your channel, Crazy Info. See you soon.